Hey guys, it's your girl Judy back with another video. I want you guys to come shopping with me. We are headed to Home Goods and we want to see what kind of things we find in the store. It's Sunday morning, it's rainy as you can see, and I invite you to shop with me and stay and let's see what we find. Alright, so let's shop. Woo, I'm excited. Okay guys, so we are in the front of the store and we are starting in the garden area. And just the starters, wow. Look at how many birdhouses they have here. They have all kinds of birdhouses. That's crazy. They have a royal back here. This cute little purple bow. Oh, they have two of those. These are mainly $19.99. Let me see if I'm right. Yes, $19.99. So each birdhouse is 20 bucks. Okay, so this is random, but I had to show you how cute. Huge pot here that looks like a mug, but how adorable are these little doggies right here. Look at that. My favorite is this one right here. This one is so cute. $9.99. And this one they're so cute. Look at that. They look so real. Okay guys, I have never seen this before. This is a Hello Spring little turtle watering little jar. It's $16.99 and it's like very light green, and they have two right here and then this one right here, and it is adorable, but just a bit small for the price. We're still in the garden area and we still see those beautiful mug-shaped flower pots. See another one here, another birdhouse. By now we should all know that the birdhouses are always 20 bucks. But look at this beauty right here. Super cute. Okay, so I love showing you guys what's new in the store, so you guys can go out and grab it and look for it or put it on your list. And spring is almost over, so now we're gonna start seeing a lot of summer stuff. And in this Home Goods, this is the only mug section that they have. They hardly have any Rae Dunn mugs here. They usually have it like in the cash register area. So yeah, that's where we're gonna be going soon to see what they have. Oh, I see summer now. Pinks, the yellows. One in a melon. Oh, this is cute. The Flamingos. I showed this set a couple of videos back and I just love it. It looks like so rich and fancy. How cute is this little mat? Look at that, $7.99. Enjoy. Oh my god, this is cute. I got my dog one already. I would have waited. Oh my god, this is super cute. It matches his little bowl station, feeding station so much. Oh my god, so adorable. And they have so many dog bowls too. In this section they have like the hold on, let me show you. Okay, so here are the dog bowls. They have so many, small, huge, medium, every color. Angry, Luna. Oh, that's cute. Luna, Bella. So many, and they range. These are $7.99, which I think is a good price because that's humongous. Okay guys, so we are headed to the pillows and throw blankets kind of area of the store. Let's see what items we find. Hopefully you see something that you like and you run to your nearest Home Goods and grab it. So here we see Home of the Brave, a double pillow in red and in white, and they are going for $24.99. This is good. This is a nice porch find. Here's another one, Land of the Free, Home of the Brave, and I think the price for these pillows are not bad. $24.99 for 2 pillows. That's what, $12.50 per pillow. I think it's pretty good. Then they have this one, which I am sure it's Rae Dunn. Yep, it is, and I want to see how much it is. Hold on. What's the price? What's the price? Oh, $19.99. And it says Love is Love. These are cute. Love is Love. Adorable. Okay guys, so I'm here talking to my husband, letting him know that I want some stripe pillows, and I stumbled upon this. This is $16.99 each. It's 2 cushions, shared cushions, and this one says Blessed. I love this one, this Blessed with the little squares. These are adorable. I love them. But I want a pillow that looks something similar to this for my couches, but I don't see anything right now, so I'm gonna keep searching because the ladies here are working really hard and they are putting other pillows here that are going to be on clearance, which is a lot. Look at that. That's a whole bunch of pillows on sale. Look at all these pillows here. Look at these little tassels, and then it says relax. They have ice cream, and then it says Love Summer, $16.99, and this one says My Happy Place with the little blue fringe. Adorable. Super cute. I like the ice cream one. Let me check this one. Oh, it's just regular colored stripes. Isn't this adorable? Oof, it feels good too. So many pillows, wow, on sale. So it looks like all the 4th of July stuff is just, you know, crammed into this little table here. You can see the $9.99 little trucks here, and then you can see some of their frame art, and not much, just that. Oh, and one of those little Land of the Free little campers, which is super cute and adorable. And the holiday hasn't, I mean, we still have a month and it's still all cramped in here. But I don't understand why they do that. Like, stores live such a rush life. Like, every holiday seems to be rushed into the store, and I don't know, it's just my opinion. Let's see what else we find. My husband loves shopping. Okay, so we're gonna be headed to the checkout, just because in the checkout I always find some good stuff. Like, look at this, bride to be, groom to be, and this is cute. $12.99, not bad. And then they have just married. Oh, this is the first time I see this one. Just married, $5.99. Oh, this is good for Eunice, right? Bride tribe, fiance. That's cute. And this is cute. Let's see what else we find. I haven't found any candles lately. I don't know what's going on with that, but no luck with candles. You can go ahead. This is cute. This is like friendship. $16.99. Oh, these are super cute. See, that's the decoration I'm going with right now. Okay guys, so that's it for this store. Don't go anywhere because we have other stores to go through. So stay with me. Let's continue shopping. Hi guys, we are at Marshall's Home Goods. Like I said, don't go anywhere because we are going shopping and I want you to shop with me. So let's go. Hi guys. So I wanted to show you the turtle, the watering turtle. $16.99. They have it here in the store in white. Look how cute is that? That little face. That's adorable. And then they also have, besides, you know, the planters that we always see, they have another turtle down there. They have this plant mister set for $19.99. Have a little planter and a little spray set for like your succulents, which is pretty cute. And I think that's it for this store. Not much. Summer vibes. Huge pillow. Huge. This is so cute. Look at this dinnerware set. It's black, glossy black, with the like burnt rose print. Super cute. This looks classy. What? They have the bowls, the dinner plate, the dessert plate. Wow, this is cute. But I always go for the plain old white. I don't know, it's just, for me, it looks so stunning. You can match it with anything. You don't have to worry about, you know, finding the perfect accessory for it because it matches with everything. This is cute. More white. Okay guys, I think that's it for this video. Tea and honey. There's actually two of these here. These are $19.99. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this shop with me. Thank you for staying all the way to the end of the video. I appreciate it. And remember, the transformation for the first floor of my house is coming up soon. Don't miss it. You're gonna love it. Bye.